Hello, my oil friends. It's Caroline Lee here, doTERRA Diamond Wellness Advocate. And as you know, it is the month of December. And this month is my favorite month with doTERRA because the free frankincense promotion. This is a $93 retail value. I believe that's correct, about $90 oil that you can earn for free for a 200-point order this month. So it doesn't matter if it's an enrollment, if it's a standard order, or if you're super smart and you already have your account, your loyalty rewards, get the points for free, more free product later on, get your shipping back, that kind of thing. That's really smart. Do it on LRP. That's the way to go, okay, if you already have a membership. But frankincense, we've been talking about that all month long. I want to give you some fun facts about one particular, we mentioned in one of the videos that the frankincense that doTERRA has, we use 4 different species. And I want to tell you a little bit more about the Boswellia sacra tree. Now it is a thin and peeling bark, and it has tangled branches and clustered leaves at the end of the branches. Okay, these trunks of these trees often have more than one stem, but they only have one trunk. And these trees can grow up to 8 meters high and are commonly found in the Rockies and southern coastal mountains. So they have to scale up the mountains to get to these trees. The Boswellia sacra is native to Ethiopia, northern Somalia, and southwestern Oman and southern Yemen. Okay, so here's a lot of interesting information about them. When they do get the resin, what they do is basically for centuries they've used the resin of the tree by slashing it or making an incision into the tree, and then it causes it to emit larger amount of that resin. And if you remember from a previous video, I showed you that resin. So here is that resin that my friend brought back from me when she was in Saudi Arabia area in the military. She bought me this because she knew I used essential oils. So the resin tears get collected from the tree, they get scraped off, and then they take that and they carefully score them or they blend them, and then it gets distilled in essential oils. So kind of a cool process, right? So let me talk about some free practical uses for frankincense. The first one I wanted to mention was about being a great beard oil. So if you have a man in your life that has a beard, like maybe Santa, right? Santa has a beard. You can use your frankincense with citrus bliss. So 1 to 2 drops of citrus bliss, 1 to 2 drops of frankincense, and 4 to 8 drops of coconut oil, and massage that into your beard. It's going to smell so amazing, but it's going to help with your beard hair. You know, so definitely, if you have a beard like Santa, go ahead. All right, number 2, let's see, what else am I going to talk about frankincense here? Frankincense is actually in our supplements, our Lifelong Vitality, and particularly it's in there for the benefit of supporting cellular function. So I would tell you that if you need some help with your cells and keeping them healthy and working the way that it is and promote really good health, try the Lifelong Vitality Pack that has frankincense in it, okay? Then the last one I do, because I know this is getting close to the holidays and everybody is looking for ways to create a mood in their house that's warming and inviting and also relaxing. And so I have a recipe for you using frankincense. So put it in your diffuser. It's called the Star in the East diffuser blend. So you can use 1 drop of frankincense, 1 drop of sandalwood, and 2 drops of grapefruit oil in your diffuser for a very perfect blend. This is to encourage relaxation, and it's going to uplift your mood. So with that, don't let this pass by. It's only till December 31st. Get your free frankincense. If you have any questions, please reach out to me or the wellness advocate that introduced you to doTERRA. We'd be happy to help you out. Take care, my friends, and keep oiling.